Hello beauties, my name is Anna and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about new holiday collection from Too Faced. I purchased myself 2 sets from Sephora, Canada, and today we'll be talking about prices. I will show you what I got and also show you swatches. So on my recent haul at Sephora, I purchased this 2 makeup collection from Too Faced. Just look at this adorable packaging. So I got 2 holiday sets, Enchanted Beauty. So the first one is Foxy Neutrals and another one is Unbearably Glam. So of course I couldn't resist this adorable packaging from Too Faced. I also really enjoy the prices of these sets, so the value is just amazing. So on each set you get eyeshadow palette that smells like Christmas cookies. You also get a travel size of mascara and also getting a face duo with highlighter and also blush. So for me everything looks absolutely incredible, and also because there was a discount when you purchase 2 sets at Sephora, I decided to go ahead and got myself both sets. So the price of one collection at Sephora Canada is $46, and at Too Faced website the price of one holiday collection is $36, which is absolutely incredible. And when you purchase both collections at Sephora, so for Canadians it will be $76 and for US it will be $59, which is absolutely incredible. I also like how different both collections are. You get in 2 different eyeshadow palettes, you get in 2 different travel size mascaras, and also the shades of blush and highlighter are also different. I also really like how one palette has more matte shades and another palette has more shimmery and glittery eyeshadows. And I truly believe that each of them will make amazing gift during this holiday season. You can purchase these makeup collections at toofaced.com and also at Sephora. And I'll put all information and also links in my description down below. So now let's take a look at each collection, talk about each product, take a look at site, and I also will be showing you swatches. So first of all, let's start with this Enchanted Beauty Foxy Neutrals. So this is everything that was in the first set, Foxy Neutrals. So now let's take a closer look and talk about each product. I really adore the packaging of this makeup collection. So the first product that I have over here is Face Palette. So this has highlighter and also blush. And I really like how the packaging is this baby soft pink color and also has Too Faced in a frame. And the rest of decorations is all silver, and it also textured and it has glitter. And when we open this door, it has again gorgeous packaging inside, and over here is adorable golden packaging, and we have highlighter in the shade Frostbite and also blush in the shade here for the Hose. So I personally really like shades of both of this highlighter and blush. They're very beautiful. I cannot wait to test them out and try out on my face. So now let me show you swatches of this highlighter and also this blush. So next what we have in this collection is travel size mascara, and in this set is mascara Damn Girl. I have never tested or tried out this mascara. I can tell you right away that Better Than Sex mascara, which is in another collection, is one of my absolute favorites. I cannot wait to test out this mascara. I want to compare them, and because now I have both mascaras, I want to test them out and try them out and find out which one I like the most. So if you already tried out both mascaras, let us know in the comments which mascara do you like the most. So let me open it up and show you up close so you can take a closer look at the wand. So this is the close-up of Damn Girl mascara, and you can see how the wand looks up close. And I can tell you right away that the wand of this mascara is bigger than in Better Than Sex mascara. So now let's move to the most exciting, at least for me, part of this set, which is Eyeshadow Palette. And just look at this adorable packaging. I absolutely love holiday collections from Too Faced, and I really like when you open up the set, inside the packaging is also very adorable. So we have a very cute Foxy over here with a crown and also in this beautiful pearl necklace, and I'm just obsessed with all of the details, the gold, the silver, the glitter. Everything looks absolutely festive and so beautiful. And when we open up the palette, inside it's so stunning. Again, you can see that on top of the palette it is beautiful blush pink with Too Faced in a frame and a bow, and also the palette itself is in beautiful gold color, and you can see all of the shades. How stunning is this palette? I can see that most of the shades are matte. I can spot only one golden glitter Lady Bells and 2 shimmery shades Clouds Out and also Cookie Butter. And I also really like how we have light matte eyeshadows We also have eyeshadows that will be perfect for everyday makeup. We have eyeshadows that will be amazing for fall makeup, and also some brown matte eyeshadows as well as stunning black matte eyeshadow. So I think this palette will be perfect for everyday makeup look, and also for those who like neutral shades, as well as for those who maybe not doing glam looks very often, but they like sometimes to use some shimmers, some glitters. And I also really like that we have black matte eyeshadow over here, so we'll be able to do nighttime makeup looks as well. So now I'll be showing you swatches of this eyeshadow palette. Again, I absolutely love all of the shade. I think this palette is perfect for everyday makeup. It looks so gorgeous. Just look at this pigmentation and how beautiful the shimmers and glitter eyeshadow looks up close. I absolutely in love with this palette. I think it is a gorgeous palette that can be used for everyday makeup, and also I'm so excited to use this palette and create something beautiful for nighttime and also that beautiful holiday glam look. So now let's take a look at another set. So this one is Enchanted Beauty Unbearably Glam limited edition makeup collection, and just look at this packaging. So we already see some differences over here. Instead of matte packaging that was in the first makeup collection, this packaging is holographic, and you can see how it switched colors from pink to blue. I absolutely love the packaging of this makeup collection. You can see how adorable this white bear is. It has a crown over here. It also has beautiful necklace, and the lashes of this bear, oh my god. And also the packaging is textured, and you also have glitter on it, but it doesn't leave any glitters on my hand. So this is how everything looks inside this makeup collection, and you can see we have eyeshadow palette, we also have face duo with highlighter and blush, and also travel size Better Than Sex mascara. So now let's take a closer look at each product. So first of all, let's take a look at this face duo with highlighter and also blush. The same kind of packaging that we saw in this set. It also holographic, so we can see that it switches colors from pink to blue. And same like others, it has texture and also glitters. I absolutely love it. It feels so pleasing. It's also very easy to hold in my hand. And this is how this highlighter and blush looks inside. So over here we have highlighter in the shade Angel Kisses, and also blush in the shade Makeup and Be Merry. I just adore all of the shades and also all of the names of this collection. It looks and sounds so festive and so beautiful. So I can see that highlighter in this set is more lighter, and blush in this set looks to me like more brighter neon pink color. So now I'll be showing you swatches of this highlighter in the shade Angel Kisses, and also this blush in the shade Makeup and Be Merry from Unbearably Glam limited edition makeup collection. I think that these shades are very gorgeous, and this is what typically I would wear for myself. And next we have Travel Size of Better Than Sex mascara, and this mascara is one of my absolute favorites and is in my top 5 most favorite mascaras. And I feel like this mascara is a lot of people's favorite. You can also purchase a set at Sephora that has 4 full-size mascaras, so you'll have mascara for a year, which is also amazing, and I feel like it has like a discounted price when you buy 4 of them together. So of course check out Sephora, check out Too Faced website to see what other sets are available. So now let's take a closer look at the wand. And this is how the wand of Better Than Sex mascara looks up close. So you can see it's a little bit smaller than Damn Girl. I really enjoy the formula of this mascara. It gives my lashes volume, it also gives them length, it separates them, it doesn't clump them up. I really love this mascara, and I like to use it on my both top and my bottom lashes. So now let's move to eyeshadow palette, and again, how beautiful is this packaging. I just adore holiday collections. I feel like this is my favorite time of the year. I love all holiday sets, but Too Faced makes the most adorable packaging. So now let's open it up and take a closer look at the palette inside. How stunning is this palette? I just love all of these shades. All the shadows looks absolutely glamorous. Maybe that's why this palette is called Unbearably Glam. And the same as the first palette, it smells delicious like Christmas cookies. So over here I can see that we have a lot of shimmers and also glittery eyeshadows. and I can spot only 3 matte eyeshadows. So this special delivery brown eyeshadow, this boxes and bows, and also the shade Nutcracker. So we have several glitter shades. We have silver bells over here, which is gorgeous silver glitter with some pink and bronzy glitters. We also have this beautiful bright pink string of lights glitter eyeshadow. So at the bottom we have this black glittery eyeshadow with some pink and also blue glitters, and over here one more shade, Ice Queen, gorgeous light blue shade with multicolor glitters. And the rest of them looks like shimmery eyeshadow. To me, I really like this all-in-one shade, which is dark brown shade with beautiful golden shimmers. This Christmas Dreams is another stunning shimmery eyeshadow. It's like very light pink with some white or light silver shimmers, and also gorgeous Candy Cane, which is beautiful bright shimmery eyeshadow, as well as Blue Christmas over here at the bottom, and also over here 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾𝓬𝓼, another stunning light pink shimmery eyeshadow. So I personally like all of these shades. I'm so happy that I actually got both makeup collections. I think they look beautiful, they smell absolutely delicious, and I just cannot wait to test them out and try them out. So I'll be showing you swatches of this eyeshadow palette so you can see how all of the shades from Unbearably Glam makeup collections looks up close. So again, I feel like this palette is perfect for somebody who likes glittery eyeshadow, who loves shimmery eyeshadows, and also who like pink shades, who like blue shades. I feel like it is perfect for everyday makeup and also, of course, for glamorous makeup looks. If you like glitters and if you like shimmers, this eyeshadow palette is perfect for you. I'm just obsessed with how beautiful all of the shades in this palette looks like. So now I want to show you both makeup collection up close so you can compare both highlighter and blush palettes, both eyeshadow palettes, and also both mascaras. So first of all, let's start from highlighter and blush duos. So in this hand, in pink packaging, I have Foxy Neutrals, and in this gorgeous blue iridescent packaging, I have Unbearably Glam. And this is how both of them look up close, so you can compare shades and see which makeup collection you like the most. So in Foxy Neutral, highlighter Frostbite is more darker golden shade, and in Unbearably Glam, Angel Kisses highlighter is more beautiful light champagne color. So when it comes to the blushes, in Foxy Neutrals, blush is more that beautiful dusty rose color. So this type of the shades that I typically like to wear. And in another makeup collection, Unbearably Glam, blush Makeup and Be Merry is more bright neon pink color. I personally like both of these highlighters and also these blushes. I feel like all of the shades are beautiful and will work with my skin tone. So now let's move to travel size mascara. So we have Damn Girls that was in Foxy Neutral set, and also Better Than Sex mascara that was in Unbearably Glam set. I really like that both sets have different mascaras, so I have opportunity to test out and try out both formulas and decide which mascara I like the most. So over here you can see up close of both mascaras. So on top I have one of Damn Girl mascara, and at the bottom is Better Than Sex mascara. So you can see that the one of Damn Girl mascara is bigger. I cannot wait to test out both mascaras and decide which one I prefer and like more. So now let's take a closer look at eyeshadow palettes. Over here I have Foxy Neutrals in beautiful baby pink color, and in another hand I have Unbearably Glam eyeshadow palette. So now let's take a closer look at them inside and compare both palettes together. And this is how both palettes looks like. So now I'll show you up close each palette so you can compare how both of them look like. It's of course depends what shades you prefer or what eyeshadow you using the most. Are you more on a neutral side and like matte eyeshadows, or do you prefer a glamorous look and like shimmery and glittery eyeshadows? And I also like how both these palettes can work beautifully together, and you can create so many different looks if you get both sets. So as for me, I'm so happy that I had opportunity to purchase both makeup collections at Sephora. I really enjoy both sets. I feel like both makeup collections look amazing. I like every product that was in each set. Also, I feel like the price is also so good. You're getting so much more than what you're paying for. You have mascaras, you have eyeshadow palettes, and also highlighter and blush. And I also like that if you get both sets, you had opportunity to test out 2 different mascaras, and also you can combine these eyeshadow palettes and create so many different makeup looks. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you like this video, and I also hope that it helped you to decide which Too Faced holiday makeup collection you like the most, Unbearably Glam or Foxy Neutrals. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!